寿司です。
Idamae sushi, the largest sushi in Japan. Everyone knows that sushi, one bite at a time, is delicate and small. It's the size of the palm of your hand at most, right? But today we're going to unlock the most interesting hidden items in Japanese culture. There's a giant slab of sushi bigger than an adult's palm. It is not an exaggeration to say that it is the largest sushi in Japan. The sushi here is a heavy rectangular rice ball. It's as long as a forearm, 3 fingers thick. On a wooden container. The surface is covered with whole thick slices of fresh tuna. There are raw embellishments under the fish. Vinegar rice is firm and not loose. Let's chat about its past and present lives. In fact, sushi originated from fish in China. The ancients salted fish. And the wisdom of rice fermentation to preserve food. After being introduced to Japan during the Sui and Tang dynasties. The prototype of sushi in idamae, it goes back to the Edo period in the 19th century. This is now Tokyo. It was a lot more liberated then than it is now. At that time, Edo was a densely populated commercial port fast food culture on the streets, in order to allow workers to eat delicious food quickly. Masters set up counters in the street. Make sushi in front of guests. So this is the origin of the plank. There is a longboard sushi table between the master and the guest. Interactive, the master is now cutting the fish. And it quickly took off on the streets of Edo. The predecessor of early idamae sushi. The size is much larger than it is now, just to feed the workers. And at that time, the master will adjust the taste according to the customer's preferences. For example, how much is the hardness of rice? This is the essence of customized interactive sushi in front of the board. Later, with the development of the time, sushi is gradually refined from street fast food. The craftsmanship of the master in front of the board is also becoming more and more exquisite. Slowly become a form of high-end cuisine that reflects the spirit of craftsmanship. This giant board front sushi from Shimizu Port. It's actually a traditional, retro innovation. It both retains the front of the Edo period board and is now made and delivered the core of fresh ingredients. It's a big replica of early sushi. It also incorporates the bold temperament of port fishermen. Shimizu Port is a 1,000-year-old port. Fishermen put the fear of the sea and the value of fresh goods. It's all hidden in this sushi bigger than the palm of your hand. Both old-fashioned and trendy, this is the charm of Japanese food culture. The way he eats completely breaks our understanding of eating sushi. Others eat board front sushi with chopsticks and pinch it with their hands. This giant sushi can't do that. You must have an exclusive shovel to be qualified. Take the shovel and cut down the texture of the sushi. Cut sushi freely. This is the only way to eat. Feel the experience of sushi in front of the board directly. This is not some random gimmick. Hidden in the Japanese port culture and sushi in idamae. It uses Clearwater Harbor, the seafood that was just salvaged from the Pacific that day. Tuna snapper are caught and processed. This fits perfectly with the core requirement of extreme freshness in board front sushi. Transportation is more convenient and unique. The route to Izu. 65 minutes by high-speed ferry from Shimizu Port. You can cross Suruga Bay. This is the only sea road in Japan dedicated to tourism. Along the way, you can overlook Mount Fuji. If you are lucky, you will also encounter dolphins. With a shovel to eat, it hides the heritage of 100 years of history. Full of port fireworks. This is the beauty of Japanese culture, playing innovation through inheritance. Make food both storytelling and interesting. Wonderful food and treasure locations in Japanese culture. Hurry up and pay attention. The next issue will take you to dig deeper into more different Japanese hidden models.